Welcome. My name is Mark O'Donoghue and I'm a Tergar Anytime Anywhere meditation teacher. And the following video is a short introduction to an Anytime Anywhere meditation workshop that I'll be leading this upcoming fall from October 3rd to November 7th on Thursday evenings from 7 to 8:30 p.m. So, have you ever noticed that we live in a world plagued with intense emotions? People appear increasingly stressed, anxious, depressed, and even slightly aggressive. Now, imagine, if you will, a life that is completely free, a life of true freedom that emanates from within, from the very essence of our being. And the good news is there's no need for strong concentration or emptying our minds. And we're not trying to create better versions of ourselves. We simply need to recognize what already exists. You already have everything that you need. In truth, you're not fundamentally flawed. Rather, you're whole, complete, and perfect, just the way you are in this very moment. Now, this journey home is a path where we recognize and nurture our innate qualities. And the first quality I'd like to mention is awareness. So consider a massive Harvard study that unveiled a simple truth. A distracted mind is an unhealthy mind. So even during activities that we typically enjoy, distraction robs us of contentment. However, when we engage with awareness, even in mundane tasks like doing the dishes, we find satisfaction. So next, let's explore our innate kindness. So another fascinating study involved 6-month-old babies and puppets like the Punch and Judy show. And the results, babies exhibited a strong preference for kindness. So it seems that compassion is woven into the very fabric of our being. And last but not least, let's explore innate curiosity. So for me, curiosity guided me on my meditation journey, and it continues to be the driving force propelling me on this journey. And as Albert Einstein mentioned, the important thing is not to stop questioning. Curiosity has its own reason for existing. And I really love that quote, so I'm just going to mention it one more time. The important thing is not to stop questioning. Curiosity has its own reason for existing. So if you have the inspiration, I'd like to invite you to embark on a journey of self-discovery and inner exploration, a path that leads to ultimate freedom, independent of our external circumstances. Thank you.